This looks like the apple that Snow White did. They say to press it down so that it adheres to. Welcome back.
Oh, hi there.
Welcome back to the Lu&Chan channel.
My name's Chandler.
And I'm Lucy.
And we're in our tiny little kitchen that
Yes,
I can't even fit in the frame.
And welcome back to our Autumn in New York series where
we're challenging ourselves to become fall people, people of autumn.
Autumn people. And we are continuing this series for 30 days. So check out our other videos. But today, what are we doing?
We are making an apple crumble. I've never made an apple pie nor an apple crumble.
Me neither. But we went apple picking, as you saw yesterday. They're so juicy with the little water droplets on them.
They look so good.
This looks like the apple that Snow White bit into. Chandler won't be as active in this one because the kitchen's not big enough for 2 people. Okay.
But we'll post the recipe down below so you can follow along.
One thing that I might need Chandler's help with is peel, because we have to peel all these.
Do you want me to help peel?
I would love that.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Definitely.
And then I can cut them.
Great.
Amazing. So we're gonna start with the crumble top. You have to let it chill for a while. So let's get that together. If you have been here a while, you know this, but I'm gluten-free. Chandler's dairy-free. I'm also dairy-free. Chandler's nut-free. So that's also why we're not making a pie, because I feel like pies have a lot more just requirement for real flour, real good crust.
I did my first apple.
Well done. What?
It's so beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so while I'm stirring the butter down here in our little oven, my fun fact is that I can ride a 6-foot unicycle, and that was because at my elementary school and at a lot of Seattle public schools, you were required to learn to ride a unicycle as a part of gym class. And then I really enjoyed it, so I joined the unicycling team and didn't just ride the regular. I rode the 6-foot one, which is called the Tall Girl. We did halftime shows. Comment down below if you've had the same experience, like a weird gym class requirement or thing that you had to do. Back to making this. We're gonna put the butter in with like the flour, oat, sugar mixture, and then this will rest in the freezer for a few minutes. We also don't have a microwave here, so like you have to melt things in the oven. Well done, my love. Well done. Aww.
All peeled and ready.
Okay, this is looking really good too. This is like the crumble topping, and I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Then we will get started on cutting all the apples up.
You know, to be a fall person, you don't have to be southern.
Yes! Why do I think that? To be a fall person, you have to be southern. Freezer. Freezer it goes. I do like pie, but there's something about a crumble that sounds so much better because I feel like the ratio is better of like the crumble to like the crust vibes to the apple. It is a lot better in my opinion. If you're still watching, will you take a second to go like and subscribe to our channel? We would really appreciate it. We'd love to have you join us. That would be lovely. All right, let's put this thing together. Kind of looks like potatoes. This looks so good though. Oh my gosh. They say to press it down so it adheres to apple. Okay, we're gonna bake it for 25 minutes with the foil and then 20 without. Here we go. It's bubbly. Oh, Chandler, look how good that looks. Do you
It looks
see
amazing.
I was a little ahead of my timer. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, Chandler, I've never made anything like this and I feel really proud of myself. Okay, I'll be honest. I feel at least, well, we haven't tried it yet, but I'm sticking with 6% more fall.
6%?
6%.
That's a big jump.
I feel like a baking queen. I feel so proud of myself. Let's get a little more. Get a little more of the crumble. Taste test.
Okay, ready? Lucy.
Oh my gosh.
That was so good.
Much better than I thought it would be.
That's so good. Oh my gosh. Whoa. My reflection. Well, I feel like I need to finish it, and then I'm 100% gonna become
6% more?
6% more a full person.
Love to hear it. All right. Well, this has been so fun. I'm really glad we did this. This also was special because I feel like these apples are particularly good because they were so fresh, literally from a tree yesterday.
Definitely try this recipe.
Yeah.
Whether you're like gluten-free or not, like this is so good.
It's really good.
This is actually probably the best dessert you've ever made.
Oh, thank you.
This is so good.
Thank you.
Okay.
So sweet. I feel so happy right now.
What are you, 6% more?
Definitely 6% more.
Okay.
All
well,
right.
journey with us this autumn in New York as we become fall people. And this is what the true aftermath looks like of pie.
Crumble.
So good.
Are you ready to crumble?